People pleasing is an act of being nice to people, but being way more than nice. It is the act of trying to control how other people feel. It involves altering your own words, actions, for the sake of another person's feelings or reactions. You then end up feeling guilty, resentful, and self pity. People pleasing is an act you have to stop. Here are the signs.
Hello, friends. Thank you so much for coming back. For the newcomers, I'm Caroline. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for keeping up with this channel. Today, we are going to talk about signs of people pleasing. Uh, I am guessing that you're here because you think you're a people pleaser, or maybe you want to know if you are a people pleaser, or maybe you already know that you're a people pleaser. So, I'm going to share with you 15 things. If you will take yes to any of these signs, then you should know that you're a people pleaser. It's a series that is coming up. There are two more videos after this one. So, you definitely want to come back to see how we will be developing. We will talk about the effects and also how to stop people pleasing. For this one is the signs of people pleasing. So let's take the ride. So the signs of people pleasing, here are they. You feel responsible for how other people feel. If people get angry, then you blame yourself. If people get resentful, then you blame yourself because you did not do something that made them happy. That is being a people pleaser. The thought of anyone being mad at you, or maybe the thought of someone being angry at you, makes you uncomfortable. You are uncomfortable by the thought. Remember, it does not even happen. You just think that this person could get angry at me if I don't do this, and then you get uncomfortable by that feeling, then you go ahead and please them. You would never want people to think you are selfish. So in anything that you do, you want people to think that you are generous, you are kind, you are loving. You don't want anyone to think that you're selfish, so you keep pleasing people. You often feel overscheduled and overburdened by all the things you have to do. So there are many things. People always schedule their time for you. They give you these assignments at work, this extra work. They have this presentation coming up tomorrow, and they give you to set it up. So you schedule your time to do their work, so you feel overscheduled. Or maybe you do all these things, then you feel exhausted, and now you feel overburdened by a lot of things that you have to do, or a lot of things, other people that you have to deal with. You are a people pleaser. You feel guilty for saying no to people. You cannot say no. You are like saying yes, yes, yes to everything. I am guilty as such for this one because I always say yes to things. I don't even know why I say yes, but I do say yes. And it's not good. It's a habit that is really distracting. It is destroying me. It is a destructive behavior. You have to say no for your yes to be valuable. If you cannot say no, then your yes will be invaluable. You put a lot of energy in trying to impress people. Yes, everything that you do is for others. There's no time for doing things for yourself. You don't do things to make yourself happy. You do things from impressing others. So you spend a lot of energy, a lot of time, a lot of resources to impress other people because you think if I will not impress these people, then I will have failed in a way. Sorry, there are people building around here, so you always hear that noise. I had to do this video today. Then the other sign is that you change your behavior based on what you think other people want. Let me laugh because I am so guilty of this one. I am very much guilty. Every time I feel like someone wants me to behave in a way for them to be happy, I will definitely change myself. If I found out that by saying this or by behaving this way, someone will get angry, I definitely change my behavior. I will change my reaction. I'll pretend maybe even if I want to laugh at someone for saying something, but I feel like they will get angry, I will hold on my laughter. I will just hold on and pretend that nothing really happened. People, please just pretend a lot. You are not yourself. You are not your authentic self. You just do things for other people. Then you go to great lengths to avoid conflict. Yes, I love peaceful lives, but I do. I keep quiet intentionally. I don't complain intentionally. I will not tell someone straight the things that are doing for me intentionally because I want to avoid conflict. I don't want to be in conflict with anyone. I want to be happy. I want to be loved by people. Who doesn't want to be loved? But it is a bad thing. If you are kind and you are overly kind, or you're nice and you are overly nice, it becomes a destructive behavior and you destroy yourself more than you do to others. And people don't even care. because all they want is the benefit that they get from you. They laugh, the your extra time that you spend for them, not for yourself. Then you tend to say yes when people ask for favors, even if you don't want to do the thing. Here is you guys, you are always saying yes, even if you don't want to do something. Let's say, for example, at work, someone has some extra work or that presentation that's coming up, and they're telling you that do this for me. And you know, Kabisa, I won't do it because I can't do it because I want to spend time with family. That's extra time I could spend it with my children or my wife or my husband. But what do? You say yes instead. Okay, I'll do it for you. Then you do it for them. Then you end up guilty and resentful. You are a people pleaser. You often apologize when you don't think you did something wrong. This is me too. I'm always saying I am sorry. I am sorry. I am sorry. I am sorry. Even if I really did not do the thing, but I'm just saying sorry. I don't know why. We'll check that out. Then you don't tell people when you're feeling offended or you're feeling hurt. I'm reading. So, yeah. You don't tell people when you're feeling offended or you're feeling hurt. Someone does something to you and you're really offended, you're hurt, but a people pleaser, it will be better for them to just keep quiet. It will be better for them to hurt in silence, but never voice out their feelings to people. It is better for them to keep quiet. I told you earlier that I really blocked so many people when I knew that they were not contributing to the healing of my loss. So I blocked them because they were not hearing me out. They wanted me to do things their way, and I did not want to do it. You see, and I had already told myself, I had told them that I will not do things their way, but they were pushing and pushing. You have to do it this way, and poof, I blocked a lot of people. A lot of people. Don't be a people pleaser. Don't be. If you're feeling hurt, if you're feeling guilty by what people are doing to you, voice up, tell them, because that is the way you get to tell people how to treat you. You find it easier to agree with people rather than having another opinion of the same thing. Let's say, for example, maybe you're talking about football, and now because you don't want conflicts, you will always tend to say yes. Okay, fine, all right, because you don't want to, you are avoiding conflict. So, and the truth is, you have a contrary opinion. You are not agreeing with them, but you are not going to say no because you have to please them. So you will say yes, even if you have a contrary opinion. You will not argue with. Number 13, you seek praise and approval from other people in life often. Oftentimes, let me give an example. I'm guilty of this one. There's this day I styled my hair and I knew I was cute with that style. So I went out to church, yeah, to church. Then no one commented that you look beautiful. Not even my friend. And I was like, what? Have I done something wrong? Do you even look good? Nikaanza kujishuku. And I knew I was smart. I knew I was cute. And you know what followed next? Is that I never ever did that style on my hair. Not anymore. But I'm figuring out I should be doing it. You see, I should go back and style my hair because I was cute for real. Very cute. I'm telling you. So that is people pleasing. That is a part of me I should now let go because it is not helping me in any way. I am seeking praise from other people instead of being contented by the fact that I see myself. Then you would feel responsible if you put up a party and people didn't didn't feel happy or the party didn't go well or people didn't enjoy the party. Then you'd feel guilty. Then you start telling yourself, oh my god, how did I set up this party? The musical collection might not have been interesting. You are just assuming things, and these people maybe they were just exhausted from work. They just came to just make you feel happy. Also, there are also people they're trying to please you. They couldn't say no. That I'm tired, I need to rest. They just came because they wanted to make you feel happy. And now all of your people are pleasing each other, but no one wants to do what is right that way. Then when someone around you is upset, you take responsibility for trying to make him or her feel better. Someone did this to me some time back. So they were not there when I lost my mom. Then they came back earlier on and told me that, oh, I'm so sorry, Caroline, Caroline, I should have been there. Such thing. Then I said, it's fine. I was okay because, not everyone, okay, these people have never experienced loss. So they really do not know what it means to lose someone, right? So I told that person it's okay. You don't have to really feel responsible for the fact that I'm feeling bad. You don't have to feel responsible for the fact that I'm grieving because you did not kill my mother, did you? No. So you really don't have to feel responsible for other people. Don't feel responsible in any way because it is not your doing. Especially for things you cannot control. If you couldn't control something, then you really do not have to feel responsible for how other people are feeling. Those are the 15 signs, you guys. If you responded positive to any of these, just know that you're a people pleaser in a way, and you always feel guilty. We will talk about the effects and why you should stop people pleasing in the coming video on Tuesday. Now, I made this video because I believe awareness is the first step towards your healing. So, if you are taking this journey of healing and you have realized that you're a people pleaser, then take this journey with me because I'm also taking this journey and I want to be my bad self. So I'm doing everything that is dragging me back. I'm cutting off everything that is dragging me back. I've responded positive to I think 3 or 4, but they are taking a major part of me. So I don't want that anymore. I'm definitely going to cut that off. I know now that that was people pleasing. I never knew, but now I have the knowledge. I am aware that if every time I will respond to people that way, I will be people pleasing. So what will I do next? I will counteract those feelings or those responses with what I have to do, because you have to do the right thing, not the thing someone else wants you to do. Be honest, be integral to yourself first before you are honest with others. Okay? I hope you're communicating. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and like it. Go ahead and subscribe if you're a newcomer. And also comment in the comment down below. Tell me to which side you have responded positive. I know mine. I cannot say no, but I have come a long way because now I'm can comfortable say no. I avoid conflict. I have also come a long way with that because now I will argue with you. I will not just say yes. I will tell you no. If you feel bad, that's up to you. As long as I am comfortable in that situation. I've also responded yes for seeking approval. But now that I know, I am working towards that, right? To be me, just to be me. So let me know to how many have responded positive, and if actually you join with me in this journey for avoiding people pleasing, cutting that part of us, because we want to grow, we want to be happy, we want to live authentic lives. Thank you. I love you. Bye.